Hi, my name is Viv Clements and today I am swatching for you Options Aurora Blue. So this is a spectacular blue glitter. As you can see, I'm just unwrapping it basically. So here I'm just using the pusher just to remove the foil from the top. Make sure you get rid of all of it. Take it off in one piece if you can, or just ensure that all of it's gone. And then underneath you'll find the little white cap, so you can remove that. And then you get to see the glitter spectacular underneath. So you'll find with our Auroras, they are basically almost like an AB. So you'll get all the different colors going through them. You can see that it has different glitter size particles. So there are big ones, there are small ones, and they range in color. You know, I've got it in front of me here, and what you're seeing is what I'm looking at. So, you know, you've got your silvers, your greens, your blues. You know, it really sparkles. They're really, really, really blingy. So they're beautiful. When you first get your pot, it's a good idea to give it a little bit of a stir. Even though it's fairly dense with glitter, it is still suspended in a clear gel, so don't whip it, don't stir it vigorously. Just kind of fold it as you would if you're folding dough. So what else can I tell you? So Aurora is one of our options line or collection, and I think there are 13 in the collection in total. Applying it. So when you apply, I place the bead just back from the cuticle area, and I kind of nudge it up into the cuticle area. Now what I want to do is basically apply a thin coat. Being that the glitter particles are a little bit big, well, some of them are a little bit bigger, and then you've got the small finer ones. To get a completely smooth finish, you have a few options. You can either apply it super thin and then sort of go back and use your brush to kind of tap down and smooth out any bits that are raised. Or you can apply it and then, so I apply the first coat, but when I apply the second coat, I apply it quite thin. And all I'm doing is literally just filling in the gaps so that you've got that full glitter coverage. The other thing that you can do is you can embed it. So you could basically cap it with, whether it be Enhance or Trinity or Crystal Clear, and you'll get obviously that perfectly smooth finish. And you don't have to cap it, you know, thick or anything. You can do a nice thin coating over it. The other option is that you can cap it in high, you know, shine on or matte on, and then give it a light buff. Clean off the dust and the debris, and then cap it again, and you'll get that perfectly smooth finish. So once it's capped, you'll also see the sparkle come through. It's a really beautiful, beautiful glitter. They soak off. So our options range soak off, whether it be a glitter or a color, and you just soak off the same way you would any glitter polish. They also cure in 30 seconds in an LED and 2 minutes in a UV. Now here I've just thrown this in because I thought it would be really nice to show you what it looks like over a darker background. So I've used black on as my base, and it means that I only have to do one coat, but you'll see how spectacular the glitter also looks over a solid background as well. So that was just a little bit extra that I thought I would throw in because it's really nice to see it both ways. So whether you're using it as a full coverage glitter application, or whether you're using it to highlight a design or add to a design, either way, it is beautiful and spectacular, super easy to use, and yeah, definitely has the wow factor. So at the end of this, I do cap this one in high shine so you can see how blingy it is when it's finished. But you can see there that it's got all the Aurora colors going through it, so it kind of looks like an opal. Really, really beautiful finish. Now, I've created a few tips that I just put together just to give you an idea of things that you can use it for. So we've got, and you'll be seeing it in a minute, the high shine finish, the matte on finish, the black finish, and then just a couple of simple little designs so you can see how you can use it to basically, as you can see now, accentuate a design or add to a design. It's pretty much up to you. So I hope you enjoyed that swatch. Take care, stay safe, and bye for now.